How to change group settings in WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to change group settings in WhatsApp, whether it's who can send message, update group info, or manage participants. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to the group chat that you want to manage. Then tap the group name at the top to open the group info page. Scroll down and tap group settings. Then tap edit group info. Or you can also see this edit option on the top right corner. Click on it. Here you can edit the group name or change the photo of the group. Now to control who can send messages, tap send messages to decide who can send messages in the group. Choose all participants or only admins. Create for announcement. If you want more control over who joins, then tap approve new participants and turn it on. This means new members must be approved by admin before joining. To make someone an admin, scroll to the members list, tap their name and choose make group admin. To remove admin rights, tap again and select dismiss an admin, and that's it. This is how to change group settings in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.